Microsoft Windows. Windows is one of the most widely used operating systems in the world. It was created by Microsoft and first released in the 1980s when personal computers were starting to become common in homes and offices. Before Windows, many computers used text commands that felt difficult for regular users. Windows helped change that by introducing a graphical interface with icons, menus, and a mouse pointer. That simple approach made computers much easier to use. Over time, Windows became the standard operating system for schools, businesses, gaming computers, and home PCs. One major reason for its success is software support. Most popular computer programs and games are designed to run on Windows first. It also works with a huge range of hardware from different manufacturers. Versions like Windows XP, Windows 7, and Windows 10 became especially popular because they balanced performance with ease of use. Even today, Windows remains one of the biggest parts of the computer industry. macOS. macOS is the operating system used on Apple computers like the MacBook and iMac. It is known for its clean design, smooth performance, and strong connection with other Apple devices. The modern version of macOS grew from technology connected to Steve Jobs after he returned to Apple in the late 1990s. Unlike Windows, which works on computers from many companies, macOS is made only for Apple hardware. Because Apple controls both the hardware and software, the system usually feels very optimized and stable. Many creative professionals use macOS for video editing, music production, graphic design, and software development. The interface focuses on simplicity, and features like AirDrop and iPhone syncing make the experience feel connected across devices. Another reason people like macOS is its long battery efficiency on laptops and its reputation for reliability. Even though Macs are usually more expensive than many Windows computers, the operating system has built a very loyal user base around the world. Linux. Linux is very different from Windows and macOS because it is open source. That means anyone can view, modify, and improve its code. The Linux kernel was created by Linus Torvalds in 1991, and since then, thousands of developers around the world have helped build systems around it. Linux became extremely important in the technology world because of its flexibility and stability. Most internet servers, cloud systems, and supercomputers run on Linux in some form. Even Android phones use a Linux kernel underneath. Unlike commercial operating systems controlled by one company, Linux can be customized in many different ways. Some versions are designed for beginners, while others focus on security, programming, or advanced technical work. Linux is also known for being lightweight, which allows it to run well even on older computers. For developers and system administrators, Linux became a favorite because it gives users more control over the system compared to many other operating systems. Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular versions of Linux. It was created to make Linux easier for regular people instead of only advanced users. Earlier Linux systems often required technical knowledge just to install programs or change settings, but Ubuntu focused on simplicity and accessibility. Its interface feels cleaner and more beginner-friendly, which helped many people try Linux for the first time. Ubuntu is widely used by students, programmers, and developers because it is free, stable, and works well for coding and server management. Many tutorials and programming tools are also designed with Ubuntu support in mind. Another reason Ubuntu became popular is its strong community support. If users face problems, they can usually find guides and solutions online very quickly. Over time, Ubuntu helped prove that open-source operating systems could be practical for everyday use, not just for experts or large companies. Android. Android is the most widely used mobile operating system in the world. It was developed by Google and launched in 2008 during the rapid growth of smartphones. Android changed the mobile industry because it allowed many phone manufacturers to use and customize the system for their own devices. Companies like Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus all build smartphones using Android. This helped create phones at many different price levels, making smartphones more accessible to millions of people. Android is based on the Linux kernel, but it was designed specifically for touchscreens and mobile apps. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. Users can customize home screens, install different apps, and connect many types of devices. The Google Play Store also gave developers a huge platform for creating apps, games, and services. Today, Android powers not only smartphones, but also tablets, smart TVs, watches, and even some car systems. Its open nature helped it spread faster than almost any other mobile operating system. iOS. iOS is the operating system created by Apple for the iPhone. It was introduced in 2007 alongside the first iPhone and played a major role in changing modern smartphones. Before iOS, many mobile devices relied on physical keyboards and complicated menus. Apple focused instead on touch controls, smooth animations, and a simple user experience. That design made smartphones feel more natural and easier to use. iOS is known for strong security, fast performance, and long software support. Apple devices often receive updates for many years, which helps older phones stay secure and functional longer than many competitors. Another important part of iOS is the App Store, which helped create the modern mobile app industry. Developers could build apps for communication, gaming, entertainment, business, and education all in one place. Because Apple controls both the hardware and software, iPhones usually deliver a very consistent experience. Over the years, iOS became one of the most influential operating systems in the mobile world. ChromeOS. ChromeOS is an operating system developed by Google, mainly for Chromebooks. It was built around the idea that many people now use the internet for most of their daily tasks. Instead of focusing heavily on traditional desktop software, ChromeOS centers around the Google Chrome browser and cloud-based services. The system is lightweight, simple, and designed to start quickly. Chromebooks became especially popular in schools because they are affordable, easy to manage, and good for online learning. Students can open documents, browse the internet, attend video classes, and save files online without needing powerful hardware. Over time, ChromeOS also gained support for Android apps and Linux applications, making it more flexible than before. Another reason for its popularity is security. Since much of the system works through cloud services and automatic updates, maintenance is usually simpler for users. ChromeOS may not replace powerful desktop systems for advanced tasks, but it became an important operating system for education, casual computing, and web-based work. Unix. Unix is one of the oldest and most influential operating systems ever created. It was developed in the early 1970s at Bell Labs and introduced many ideas that modern operating systems still use today. Concepts like multitasking, user accounts, file permissions, and organized file systems became popular through Unix. It was mainly used in universities, research centers, and large organizations because of its reliability and powerful design. Unlike many systems made for casual home users, Unix focused more on stability and technical efficiency. Over time, different versions of Unix were created, and many modern systems were inspired by it. Linux borrowed many Unix ideas, and macOS is also built on a Unix-based foundation. Even though most everyday users may never directly use a traditional Unix machine, its influence exists almost everywhere in modern computing. It helped shape how operating systems work behind the scenes and became one of the foundations of the modern digital world.